Hey everyone, Mortaza here with Heartbeat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create promo codes and discounts and coupons for your paid offers in Heartbeat. Let's dive in. For all the coupon codes and discounts that you want to create, Heartbeat actually leans pretty heavily on Stripe's coupon functionality to do this. So the way it's going to work is you'll create coupons and discounts in your Stripe account, and then any coupons or discounts or promo codes you create will automatically work inside of your Heartbeat payment pages. So to actually create a coupon for my different products, I'm going to go to my Stripe account and I'm going to go to the create coupon page. If you have any trouble finding this, you can just type in the word coupon in the search and it should be like the second thing that pops up over here, and it'll take you to a screen that looks just like this. Now, first thing that we're going to drop in is the actual name of the coupon code. So we'll drop in a coupon name over here. This is going to, as it says on Stripe, appear on customer receipts and invoices. Just make sure it is like a customer facing name. We can add in an ID if we need to. This is usually not necessary unless you're doing some really technical stuff with the coupon code. And then I can choose the type of discount. So I can make it a percentage discount, or I could do like a fixed price. Percentage is like, hey, I want to offer like 50% off when you use this coupon, or I could switch this to like a fixed amount and say, you know what, I'm going to offer $10 off for this specific product. I can also choose the duration. So I could say, you know what, let's actually do $10 off for 3 months in a row. Or I could do, let's say, like 50% off for 3 months in a row, right? So I can even choose the duration. If I want to lock this coupon code to specific products, I can do that as well. And in this product search over here, I can just find and grab all of the Heartbeat products that I want to allow Stripe to, use this coupon code for. And then anytime someone tries to use this coupon code for a product that is not included in this list, it's just going to say like, hey, this coupon code is not valid for this product. I can also set up redemption limits, so I could pick a specific date range of like customers have to redeem this coupon code by a certain time. I could also, pick a total number of times that this coupon code is redeemed. So I could say, hey, there's actually a max of 50 redemptions that I'm allowing, and then all these coupon codes have to be redeemed by the end of the month, so January 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, right? So I could set this up as well. And then the last option that I have over here is I can even set up like multiple customer-facing coupon codes. So, when you have like a 50% off discount, like a lot of times you'll see something like 50 off, right? So I could set this up. I could choose some of these options over here. I could say, hey, only allow this for like new customers. I could say, again, limit the number of times this specific code is used, or I could add in expiration dates over here, right? So I can even drill down and I can create multiple customer-facing coupon codes that all operate based off of these rules that I've set up over here. So I could do like one that's 50% off, and then I could do another one calling it half off, right? So you have some options over here that you can use to create multiple different coupon codes just in one shot. So I would go through and just follow the prompts over here and then click this create coupon button at the bottom. And now my coupon is going to be live and it's going to work in all of my Heartbeat payment pages. So to see what this actually looks like from the customer's end, we're going to go ahead and enter in a coupon on one of our offers. So I'm going to go ahead and check out this like holiday bundle sale that I've got over here. So I've got the link and I'm going to go ahead and paste it into a new tab so we can just see what this looks like. Great. So I've got this deal. I've got, the credit card information that appears over here on the left side. I've also got, my order summary over here. I can click over here to add a discount code, and then I can go ahead and enter in. I have one that's already built out for 50% off. I'll click this plus button to add it. And now I can see as a customer that I've got the 50% off applied. We do the nice little, visually just showing people that, hey, the 50 is crossed out and you're actually only paying $250 right now. And then I can go ahead and hit this subscribe button down here and be able to get access to this product. So pretty simple flow. All you got to do is open up Stripe, create a coupon there, and then all those coupons will automatically be usable inside of your Heartbeat payment pages. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team by using this little help button in the bottom right corner of your community, or just shoot us an email at support@heartbeat.chat.